Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they're...
Hey y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. I just got home off of work. It's about 3 o'clock. I came home to a package that I've been waiting on. The other day, or I should say yesterday, when I got ready to go and decorate my room after like not really finding any bedroom decor, I was like, forget it. I'm just gonna whip it up the way that I want to, fix it up, whatever. So when I went to do that, I'll show you guys the comforter. Okay, so this is the comforter set that my grandmother had got me. It's actually a quilt set, but the thing of it is like we love things like these, so she knows I love the plaid. But anyways, this is by My World. I'm not exactly sure where she bought this off of. I'll have to see if I can find a link for it. But this is a full 4-piece quilt set. Comes with a full quilt, 2 standard shams, which is right here, and then a decorative pillow. When you guys look, you can see that the decorative pillow is right there in the middle of the actual basically bedspread, but quilt. So what I was thinking was to get rid of the orange and olive green for fall, I wanted to do this. And you know, as I said in my video yesterday, I was only able to find this. So it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. This can go with it. I'll look around at the Dollar Tree and see what other pieces I can add into our bedroom to go along with this. But for right now, this is all I have. I do have a painting that I do want to replace. The board that I had up here that said home. So I found this at the Goodwill about a week and a half ago. And I am thinking of putting this above my bed. It is black and gray, and it goes well with the plaid, even though it's not plaid, but still it says stand strong, believe in yourself, and chase your dreams. No, it doesn't have anything to do with Christmas, but at the end of the day, this is going to stay up above our bed anyway, so I want to put that up too. But meanwhile, like I said, I bought some sheets because if this is all it came with, it didn't come with a fitted sheet, and then the other sheet that goes on top of it. And of course we do 4 pillows, so I have 2, Charles has 2, so we needed at least 1 more pillow set, which is the reason why I'm just not gonna step over, which is the reason why I ordered this package here from Amazon. When I went on Amazon, I was scrolling, and yes, y'all can tell it's cold outside today. I got on my my sweater, turtleneck. Yeah, I'm not playing. But anyways, I went on Amazon and seen that they had some gray sheets, but as well as black, because I'm not doing white. So let me open this up real quick, and then I'll show you guys the package. So it'll be in my description box down below if you all want to purchase these. I love having these sheets for less than $20, where I can use these for any other bedspread if I choose to. Like, I also have a black and white plaid bed sheet in a bag just like that one, except on the back it has dogs with a Christmas hat. So Christmas will be over when I actually take off what I got on the bed that I'm going to put on. So let me show y'all what's in here. So yes, I got the luxury full set sheet set that comes with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. So it's perfect for adults and kids. It can be washed in cold water with similar colors, and tumble dry on low heat. So this right here is what I'm going to be putting on my bed. So Stay tuned to see me decorate, make up my bed, but decorate. I have to admit, we definitely will miss that thicker blanket like this, but I think that in the fall this was a really great color scheme to put together. But I definitely feel like it's time to decorate for Christmas in my bedroom. Not only did I want to decorate for Christmas in the bedroom, but I wanted to make the whole house feel like it is Christmas and to get ready for Christmas. Honestly, this year it doesn't feel like Christmas is right around the corner. It also just doesn't feel real. Every year Christmas comes and you get so excited about decorating and putting things together that you just do it ahead of time now. And I put all of my Christmas decorations up before Thanksgiving, so maybe like a day or two before Thanksgiving. That way I didn't have to worry about spending my day off before Thanksgiving putting everything up and putting all of the fall stuff away. So when Halloween was over, I took down all of my Halloween decor, and of course right before Thanksgiving I took down all of my fall decor, and then I pulled out the Christmas decor to get ready for that, and went ahead and decorated off camera. The reason why I'm showing you guys my bedspread and my bed decorations today is just simply like to share with you guys just some simple ideas that you guys can do for your bedroom. I know that my bedroom has like a bunch of other things such as hats, jewelry, perfumes, and all of that other type of stuff, but it's just about like trying to get in the spirit of Christmas, and I think that this is just like one of those ways to do that. Decorating my room was one of the things that I really wanted to do. Unfortunately, since I only found one piece to add to the room, it was what it was, and I just know better for next year to just like shop when the sale goes on after Christmas to look for things that I could decorate our room with. I'm thinking things like the little trees that you can get from like the dollar store or Five Below and setting that on a stand or something. I'm also thinking of like just some garlands to go above the bed as well maybe, and of course maybe I might want to look for some new pillow covers if they go on sale. So here is the full bed put together. The pillows came from Amazon. I will have that linked in my description box down below. This came in a 4-pack, but I kept these 2 back here due to the simple fact that they were gray, and the one in the middle came with the actual quilt set. Now that it's later on in the evening and I have gotten my bedroom accomplished, I am going to set up my hot cocoa bar station. As the weather has gotten colder, I decided that it is time to get it up and running. So I have quite a few different things that I want to add to it this year, and I just want it clean, so I did wipe it down first with some Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. Some of the pieces that are already up are from last year, of course, and I just decorated it a little bit better by moving some things around. I am using the honeysuckle by Miss Meyer's. If you want to give that scent a try, look down in my description box and you can try the 3-pack for about $18 or $19. There is a link that will be in that description box. So I have my Keurig machine, my Mr. Coffee Ice over here as well. I'm going to go through and take a little bit of everything and organize it first, such as like cups and things like that. Then I'm going to start to organize and take the hot chocolate packs out of the box and set up my new container storage that I purchased from Hobby Lobby for $12. So I also added in that new cup that I got from Burlington and hung it up. So this one says it serves hot cocoa. I just am going to slide it to the side and make this area look presentable. So here are those hot chocolate packets. I am using the Swiss Miss milk chocolate. I'm also adding in some peppermint sprinkles over. This was bought at Walmart for less than $4. And then I also have some stirring spoons in peppermint and in milk chocolate. The peppermint sprinkles have just red and white sprinkles, and there are peppermint pieces inside. This is what I got from TJ Maxx, the sugar cookie Joe's syrup, so I'm adding that in there over as well. I also got 24 count of wooden spoons for 99 cents each, so $2 for those, and then the wooden mini scoop count 3 count for $2. So I am going to put some of the hot chocolate into the organizer over here and then just mix up the things little by little. So with the wooden spoons, I'm going to place them on the red and black plaid old farmhouse truck, and then they can be used from here instead of putting them in the organizer. I also am going to be putting the wooden spoons in the actual section of the organizer, and the chocolate spoons and the peppermint spoons I'm just going to put into a bag. The peppermint ones can be cut up because they just have that foil on the outside. Unfortunately, the milk chocolate ones don't, so I'm just sticking them in there. I will cut those up and then just toss those in on the other side, and the little sprinkle mix I put on with the spoons, I just cut them up like this and put them into the same side of the organizer. And I have some old sugar cookie Ghirardelli squares that will be in this container and over in this corner as well. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button if you haven't already. See you guys in the next video.